Hey guys, just a quick hello. Hope everyone's doing well. Just want to make a quick announcement about a trip that Laura, myself, Egidio from Life Wellness will be doing next fall, 2025. And we wanted to invite you to join us. And it's going to be an amazing trip. We're going to discover Portugal, give you a good taste of what Portugal's all about, Porto, Lisbon, everything in between. And we're also going to get over to the Azores on the way back to Canada, discover the Azores, and we want you to join us. This amazing trip, we're going to experience obviously amazing landscapes through the country, vineyards, the Douro, wine houses, castles, churches. We're going to experience volcanoes, the lava coast, lakes. It's endless. Obviously, we're going to have a lot of fun as well. If any of you are interested in joining us, feel free to email me with any questions you might have. I'll also put you on the list, and when we have the date, we will notify you. Yeah, it'd be an amazing time. We get to learn about each other, hang out, have fun, and discover Portugal, guys. So thanks for tuning in, and see you in Portugal.